Hi, I'm John Oast. Welcome to Danville, Pennsylvania. I'm a board member at large for the International Association for Healthcare Security and Safety and System Director of Security Training and Special Programs for Geisinger. I'll be on this year's ballot for the IAHSS Vice President Treasurer. Let's take a little walk. Back in the mid-90s, I was a young college graduate just starting out my journey into law enforcement. After over a decade of law enforcement in Virginia, much of which working in the inner city environment as a gang investigator, working with elder fraud and youth crime, I transitioned into healthcare public safety. Not long after moving into the healthcare sector, I was lucky enough to be mentored by a number of the early IAHSS leadership. I served multiple terms on the Pennsylvania Susquehanna chapter board as chair, vice chair, have served in some international roles on the Commission on Certification, Education Council, and on several projects as a subject matter expert. I've had the opportunity to present on healthcare, public safety, and workplace violence around the United States, internationally, to the American Medical Association, and at the IAHSS ACNE. Since joining Geisinger in 2011, I've helped to establish the department as a sworn law enforcement agency, established an FTO program with a 95% retention rate as a result, and we've achieved the IAHSS program of distinction for the Geisinger Medical Center. This year's ballot is expected to go out about September 29th, and as in earlier years, we're expected to have the election run through October. Please consider me as your candidate for IAHSS Vice President Treasurer. Thank you.